Hello everyone, I'm back with another short story, and this time I'm going to read a story originally written in Tibetan by my daughter reading in grade 4. I translated the story into English. Alright, here we go. In a thick and dense forest, there once lived an elephant. He was feeling very lonely as he had no friends to play with and to find food with. One day, the elephant went in search of food. He was walking slowly on his way when he came near a banana tree. Under the tree, he spotted 2 ripe bananas. Yummy, right? At the same time, he saw a monkey not very far away. He thought he would offer 1 banana to the monkey and start friendship with him. So he picked up the bananas and went to the monkey. But as soon as he offered him a banana, the monkey snatched both the bananas and ran away quickly. The elephant felt very sad and went on his way without a single banana. Meanwhile, the monkey, in his attempt to jump from one tree to another, was about to fall down from the branch of a tree right near a steep cliff. "Please help me please," the monkey cried. The elephant ran towards the monkey and saved his life. The monkey felt guilty and apologized for his bad deed. Since then, the elephant and the monkey became very good friends. They both went together in search of food and played together as well. The elephant's kindness paid off, and finally he could find a friend. So, what do you think? Was the elephant right in saving the life of the monkey? What would you have done, or what would you do if you were in place of the elephant, or if you were the elephant? Would you do the same thing as the elephant did, or would you do something else? Why? Please reflect on this. Meanwhile, I take your leave. See you soon. Take care.